Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculating the total distance traveled by a particle requires finding the integral of its speed function, so let us break down this calculus problem very quickly. Total distance is the integral of speed. Speed is the magnitude of the velocity vector, calculated as the square root of the sum of the squares of the velocity components. We integrate this speed function over the given time interval from 0 to 1. This represents the total path length traveled by the particle in the plane, so let's go. Using a calculator for this definite integral, we find the numerical value. Comparing this result to our choices confirms that option B is the correct answer for this problem. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't just sum components. Always use the magnitude and integrate the speed for success.